When it comes to finding and fixing broken links on your website, a lot of people think that you have to go through your website page by page with a fine-tooth comb and find each broken link individually, but that's just not the case. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the easy way to scan your website for broken links and how to fix them. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and I help digital entrepreneurs with SEO, website strategy, visibility, and all in all, just growing an online business in a way that feels good. In today's video, we're diving into the world of broken links. So if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure that you already understand how problematic broken links can be, not only for your SEO, but also for the experience that you're giving your website visitors. So I actually already have a video on my channel that talks about this, but it's back from 2017. And I went back and I rewatched it. And honestly, it makes me cringe because it's like one of the first videos that I ever created for YouTube. And in that video, I'm talking about a tool that I don't even use nor recommend to my clients anymore. So let's dive into the updated version of how to find and fix broken links on your website. So the tool that we're going to be using to go and find the broken links on our website is called Broken Link Check. Okay, so you can get there by literally just typing in brokenlinkcheck.com. Or I left the link to this in the video description below. So basically, super simple, just enter your website URL below and then click Find Broken Links. And then it's gonna make you input this security code here. And then when it comes to these two settings, I always do report distinct broken links only. You can mess around with the other one. I just do this one. So then after you input the security code, just click Find Broken Links Now, and it's going to go through and scan basically every page on your website. Sometimes this takes a little bit. Obviously, it depends on how many pages are on your website. I will say, since this is a free online tool, I think it only scans up to 3,000 pages. So if you need to scan more than that, then this tool probably isn't going to be that helpful for you, and you might need to rely on a paid version. But if you have less than 3,000 pages on your website, then this tool is going to be perfect. So we will just let it run and kind of let it do its thing. So once the broken link check is all done, then you will see a status of done here. So I actually stopped the broken link check from scanning this because I honestly only really ran this just to do this video. So I kind of stopped it early. But the broken link checker went over 112 pages on my website and it found 2 broken links. So we have the numbers here of how many broken links that it found. This is the link that is broken. This is the text that links to this link. This is the URL on your website where this text and this broken link is. And then this is the type of broken link that it is. Okay, so there's different broken link types. A lot of the time you'll probably see a 404 error page. So that might mean that like the page no longer exists. This one is a server response 503. If I'm correct, a 503 is basically like the browser couldn't really follow that link at the moment. It technically might not mean that the link is broken, but this person's server could have been, I don't know, under maintenance or something like that. So with that being said, before you go in and fix any of these broken links on your website, just double check that they are actually broken. Okay, so what I typically do is I click on this URL right here, and the page that has the broken link is going to be somewhere on this web page. So what I do is hit Command F and I search for the link text. So I'm not spending time like, I don't know, going through this page word by word trying to find it. So I will go ahead and type that in and double check that this is it. Yeah, that is the broken link. So then what I do is click on the link to make sure that it is broken. So good thing that I checked, because actually this link is not broken. But as this broken link checker was kind of going through my website and checking for links, this specific website, this server, it might have been down for maintenance. I don't really know, but that's why it's important to always double check here, okay? And then head back to the broken link checker. And this one is a 404 error. So this link is found on this page here. So then the text is quick start. So then Command F. Okay, so then we are going to click on this and just double check that this link is broken. And yes, it is. So this is a 404 error. Basically, and honestly, it's my website, so I already kind of know what happened here. I actually deleted this guide, and so I deleted the page. And so since deleting the page, I didn't set up a 301 redirect. So therefore, it is leading users to a 404 error page. So basically, what I have to do is go in and fix this broken link. So how you fix these broken links on your website is going to depend on which website platform you are using. So my website currently is built on WordPress, so I am just going to edit the post, and then I got to find it in the back end. So I look for the same thing. Oh, that search function is so great. So this is the link that is broken. So we have a couple options here. So what I can do is edit the link and link to something else. So if somebody else had a quick start website plan and guide, I could leave a link to that, or I can just delete it. And honestly, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this line altogether because, let's see. So yeah, this is just like options for inspiration, and there is already a ton of options here. So this one doesn't really matter. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. And then I'm going to click update. And then I'm going to look at it from the front end to either make sure that the link deleted, or if I added a different link, then I would want to make sure that the page updated and that new link is linking correctly, because then if we go ahead and we redo the broken link checker, then it's going to pick up on another broken link if the link isn't correct. So from this one, it seems that we are good to go and that broken link is fixed. So we head back to the broken link checker. And honestly, when I do a broken link check for clients, usually there's a lot more than just 2 broken links. So just know that this could take some time, especially if this is your very first time running a broken link check on your website. Maybe your website has been around for a little bit. I will say spend some time, fix these broken links. It will help improve the user experience of your website and therefore could improve the SEO of your website. I will say after you go through and you kind of fix the broken links that this checker showed, I would go in and run another check just to double check, okay? Lots of checks in that sentence. But basically, since this tool is free, sometimes it doesn't pick up on like every single little thing. So I always like to run a broken link check, go ahead and fix the links, and then I will go ahead and rerun that broken link check. And then one more thing that I forgot to mention in the video. So typically when I recommend to clients to run a broken link check, I usually get the question of like, okay, so how often do I need to be running a broken link check on my website? And typically I recommend checking for broken links every month or every quarter. This kind of depends on how often you're either creating content, adding new products, or adding new pages to your website. So I would recommend sticking with either monthly or quarterly. If you want to do it more often, that's totally fine. We just don't want to go too long without finding and fixing these broken links so that we don't get any hits to SEO or just having them accumulate too much on the website overall. But that's it for today's tutorial. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.